Hello everyone, welcome to the AWS PyCharm tutorial series. It's time to clean up the resources. As you can see on my screen, CloudFormation Dashboard is already open. I will click on the radio button and then click on Delete. It is going to remove everything starting from the Lambda functions, API gateway, authorizers, etc. But it's not going to remove the S3 bucket. We have to do that manually. First, I need to remove the existing objects. Otherwise, it won't allow me to delete the bucket. Okay, we have successfully removed the bucket. Thank you so much for coming this far.